we're going to look at how to create Amazon KDP book covers using Canva completely for free and in a relatively short time. So let's go to custom size, set 6 by 9 inches as an example, and then I'm going to go to book bold, then resources, interior wizard to get free interior. So for example, I'm gonna choose body measurements tracker for our book, set the size to 6 by 9 inches, and let's put one in the page count and download. So this interior is 100% free from BookBolt. After that, I'm going to drag the interior here to Canva, put it like this, and you can scroll here to the templates, and I like this one for example, so I'm gonna delete the paid elements, get rid of the text as well, and insert the interior. So I want to show a part of the interior in my cover design. So change the position, then I should flip it on the other way like this and put it on the other side. As you can see, we can change the shadows from edit the image like this, and I think that the glow is the best in our case. Now I'm going to Canva color wheel here, and then I'm going to select this yellow element, click edit the image, select the yellow color like this. I'm going to copy this code right here and paste it here on the color wheel from Canva. And the reason behind that is to get a good contrast and combination between two colors. So this is the color, the blue color. I'm going to copy the code and paste it here. So as you can see, there's a good combination and contrast between these colors. Because I'm not professional in choosing colors combination, however, Canva wheel will help you. So here, as you can see, I'm going to edit the interior a little bit, increase the brightness, increase the contrast, and also reducing the blur. So I think this look perfect like this. Then you can also increase the clarity. So now it looks way better than before. So the outline is clearer. However, the text is start to get blurry and not clear. So I'm gonna hide it like this. And sometimes you can add some photogenic effects or maybe add some filters. However, here I think it looks fine without any filter. So you can go to your niche, see other covers designs and get some inspiration from them. So I'm going to add text here, which is the title of my logbook. Body, press Alt and drag it to copy the element, and then measurements. So here I was wondering, should I write measurement or measurements with the S? So I went to Amazon and check other titles in the niche, and I found that most of them write measurement without S, and I have checked that 1000 results in measurement, and with the S there are also 1000 results. And here in my interior it is measurement with the S. So I'm gonna leave it like this, adjust the text, make it clear, bold. And by the way, if you want to learn more about how to choose the fonts, I have done a video about this. Check it in the description after watching this video. So try different positions of the text and see which position is the best for your cover. So then I'm going to add another title. However, this time I'm gonna add the heading, which will be tracker or logbook. So I'm gonna write logbook and put it just under the title like this, and make the measurements in bold, and try to zoom out to see how the customer are gonna see your cover design, because they are not gonna see it as big as you are creating it. Then I'm going to hide this text in the interior by adding a square in blue like this, and of course change the position backwards to be like this. So here I want to add an element in this blank area. So I searched for body, then go to graphics and insert this graphic body, as you can see like this. Change its color to the gray and reduce the transparency like this. However, I thought that doesn't look fine because I already have a body in the cover design, so there's no point of putting two bodies in the same cover design. So I was thinking to insert another element that add to the cover, not just repeat the same idea. So let's add some dotted lines to show the customers what they are gonna get from our book. So put it here like this, reduce the transparency, press Alt and drag to copy other lines here and there. Then I'm going to add these parts of the body that are included in the tracker. Add heading, starting by the calf, reduce the transparency as well, and reduce the size. And do the same thing to the thigh, like this, and the hips. However, I think this dotted line is large, so I'm gonna change it to a smaller one, like this one here. Reduce the transparency and match the changes with the text as well. So let's put the text to 21 size. Copy the dotted line here and there. Change the size and reduce the transparency as the other text. So I think this look way better than before. And of course you should be creative on your cover designs. So I'm gonna add the other parts, but of course in lower transparency, because I don't want the customer to be confused with the text of the interior and the text of the title. So add the waist and chest. So I think this cover now looks really good, catchy, appealing, and I think that will stand out between the crowd of cover designs. So as I told you before, try to zoom out and see the cover in smaller size to check that it's still fine and clear. Then let's download it as PNG, and of course this is the front cover only. So we are gonna now create the whole cover, which include the front cover, the back cover, and the spine, by going to Amazon KDP size calculator and entering our information. So paperback, and the interior type is black and white paper, and of course left to right, and the measurement in inches, and our book is 6 by 9 inches, and let's say that our book is 120 pages. Then calculate the dimensions, and these dimensions is the dimension of the full cover. So we're gonna go back to Canva and insert that numbers. So 12.52 by 9.25 inches, and create new design. So now I'm gonna download the template, extract it, and upload it here to Canva like this, and it should fit the page perfectly like this. Then I'm gonna add our front cover design here like this, put it on the right, and we should check that our text, our title, is not crossing the margins, which is the red area right here. So here it's fine. As you can see, all the essential elements are within the white area. So I'm gonna fill this back cover with a square, make it bigger like this, and of course change its color to the blue. So now, as you can see, this is the full cover that include front cover, spine, and the back cover. So now we are gonna download it from Canva as PDF standard or PDF print. So as long as it is in PDF format, we can upload it straight away to Kindle Direct Publishing. So yeah, we did it. A good cover design in a short time using free tools, and boom, here we go. So if you like this tutorial and want more tutorials like this, smash the like button. And as I told you before, you should learn more about the fonts by watching this video right here, where I'm going in deep on how to choose the right font, which may be translated to more sales.